Udupi is a small town north of Mangalore in Karnataka. Udupi is famous for Krishna Mutt, some picturesque beaches, magical island that we all might know. Apart from all this, Udupi and its neighbor town Kundapura are heaven for foodies. Here are some local cuisine that I have tried in some famous restaurants while exploring Udupi and Kundapura without having a pinch in my pockets. Here in this episode, I'll share must-try food and restaurants of Udupi and Kundapura. Hi friends, this is your host Riya and you are welcome back to this delicious episode of Wheels on the Feet. So during my 1 night 2 days trip to Kundapura, on both the mornings I headed to Gokul for breakfast. On day 1 we have ordered Rava Masala Dosa and Mente Dosa. Rava Masala Dosa comes along with white chutney, masala sambar, and Mente Dosa is with white chutney and coconut grated sweet chutney. This coconut chutney I liked most. This Mente Dosa is also unique to us, but I liked it. It is not sweet, but it's different, and white chutney is thick, so it's so good. Masala is so tasty with lots of cashew nuts. Rava dosa is classic Udupi version, which is golden and crispy, divine in each and every bite. Another specialty here it's Mangalore bun, which is made with overripe banana and comes along with kurma and white chutney. Your breakfast is incomplete without having filter coffee. Now sharing the menu of Gokul, you can pause and check the menu. Here you would be amazed to know the total bill amount. This is so pocket friendly. Next day also we again hit to Gokul and we had ordered puri kurma plate, then bun and vada with a filter coffee and tea. Just look at the bill that we have paid for all this. वेल डोसा यहाँ पे लेट स्टार्ट होता है थोड़ा, तो इसके लिए हम लोगों ने आज डोसा ऑर्डर नहीं किया है. डू ट्राई दिस रेस्टोरेंट वाइल टूरिंग हियर. This restaurant is big and having a lot of seating arrangements, so if it is crowded also you will always get a table. The next one is Kinara Bar Cum Restaurant. This restaurant is situated just on beautiful Kodi beach. और मेरे पीछे आप देख सकते हैं वो होटल किनारा है, किनारा बार एंड रेस्टोरेंट, और यहाँ पे सिटिंग अरेंजमेंट्स ये सब है. आफ्टरनून में ये बंद हो जाता है एंड इट स्टार्ट्स अगेन एट 7 PM. दिस रेस्टोरेंट इज़ मोस्टली प्रेफर्ड बाय बिग ग्रुप्स एंड फैमिलीज़. हम लोगों का सबसे छोटा ग्रुप था, बड़े ग्रुप को ये ज़्यादा एंटरटेन करते हैं यहाँ के लोग. अनदर इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग, देयर इज़ नो मेनू कार्ड, तो आप देख नहीं सकते हैं मेनू कार्ड, आपको ऐसे ही वर्बली ऑर्डर करना पड़ेगा. While waiting, I got a lot of Instagrammable pictures here. After a long wait, finally we got our food. Veg fried rice, chili chicken with bones. They don't have boneless chili chicken and दो sauce. खा के देखते कैसा है. फूड कैसा है मालूम नहीं, बट व्यू इज ऑसम. यहाँ पे लाइट बहुत ही कम है. Food is okay and it's not pricey also, but the USP of this place I would say is the view. यहाँ पे मुझे हैंड वॉश का जगह नहीं मिला, शायद अंदर हो सकता है, तो डू कैरी योर सैनिटाइजर. लाइट बहुत कम है आज, तो फिर भी चांदनी रात है. रेस्टोरेंट इज़ ऑन द एंड ऑफ कोडी बीच, सो इट्स बेटर इफ़ यू कैन ड्राइव योर कार हियर. यहाँ से ऑटो मिलना थोड़ा मुश्किल है, सर्कल से मिल जाएगा. For dinner, I have come to Shetty lunch home, which is nearby our hotel in Kundapura. यहाँ हमने ऑर्डर किया है कोरी रोटी, चिकन सुक्का एंड वाइट राइस. वी डिडंट रियलाइज एक्चुअली दैट कोरी रोटी कम्स अलॉन्ग विथ चिकन एंड दैट्स वाई वी हैव ऑर्डर्ड सेपरेट चिकन सुक्का. तो वो ज़्यादा हो गया था, इसके लिए वाइट राइस भी बाद में ऑर्डर किया. क्वान्टिटी इज़ गुड. बाद में हम लोग राइस पूरा खा नहीं पाए. टेस्ट आ रहा है बहुत ही अच्छा. एंड चिकन सुक्का इज ऑल्सो ऑसम, बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. This is so satisfying. The restaurant is huge. It has different sitting sections also, and the ambience is cool, and on the top of that it's very pocket friendly. Just look at the bill what we have paid. So do try this restaurant and thank me later. On the last day of my trip, after checking out from the hotel, I had visited this restaurant called Machli. This is the entrance of the hotel. So if you are traveling by train, you can visit this restaurant because this is on the way to Udupi railway station. ये एकदम प्राइम लोकेशन में है मछली रेस्टोरेंट, एंड ये मैंगलोर में इसका मेन ब्रांच है जो 8 साल पुराना है, और यहाँ पे 1 साल 3 महीने से है. लेट मी शो यू द एंटायर प्लेस. पहले अंदर चलते हैं. यहाँ पे भी सेक्शन वाइज बहुत सारा सीटिंग अरेंजमेंट है, बट प्रॉब्लम इज़ यहाँ पे 90% रेस्टोरेंट में आपको एसी नहीं मिलेगा, तो यहाँ पे भी एसी नहीं है. ओनली शेट्टी लंचों में ही मुझे एसी मिला. रेस्टोरेंट इज़ वेरी क्लीन. वो क्लीनलीनेस का बहुत ध्यान देते हैं. यहाँ पे वॉशरूम भी आपको क्लीन मिल जाएगा. मुझे भी दे दीजिए. ओके, ठीक है. सो हमने ढेर सारा खाना ऑर्डर कर दिया है. आई एम सो एक्साइटेड. चलो अभी देखते हैं प्लेट में क्या क्या है. दिस फिश इज़ न्यू टू मी. सो इन थाली देर इज़ वाइट राइस विद दाल एंड रसम ऑल्सो दे विल सर्व. एंड ये एक वेजिटेबल है विद कैबेज, कैरेट एंड ऑल, पिकल, बांगड़ा करी, एंड दिस इज़ ड्राई फिश फ्राई. थाली का पोर्शन इतना है, एंड दिस इज़ अ अनलिमिटेड थाली. आप जितनी बार बोलोगे वो दे के जाएंगे. एंड दिस इज़ माई कंप्लीट ऑर्डर. ओके, सो दिस इज़ सिल्वर फिश रवा फ्राई. दिस फॉर लेज़ी पीपल, क्योंकि इसमें बिल्कुल भी बोन्स नहीं है और बहुत खाने में टेस्टी भी है. बहुत टाइम से ये मेरा फेवरेट है. कोडाई फिश तवा फ्राई है, बट इसमें बहुत सारा बोन्स है. ये काने रवा फ्राई है. ये भी मैंने खाया नहीं कभी, बट टेस्टी है ये. इसमें मीडियम बोन्स है. सो बेसिकली मछली में आके मैंने बहुत सारा मछली ऑर्डर कर दिया है. आई हाईली रिकमेंड यू मछली, बिकॉज़ यहाँ का मुझे हर एक आइटम बहुत अच्छा लगा, इंक्लूडिंग द रसम, जो मुझे बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं आता है जनरली. एंड सी हाउ बजट फ्रेंडली दिस रेस्टोरेंट इज़. If you are a non-veg lover, especially you love fish, and if you are nearby or around Udupi bus stand, then do visit this restaurant. Now I will quickly review 2 restaurants which are paradise for fish lovers, and if you are not fussy about fancy places, then do visit this restaurant to have delicious authentic Udupi style food. So this is the unlimited thali portion where we'll get white rice with dal and rasam, veg curry, and dry fish pickle and raita. Also ordered silver and kingfish rava fry with chas. If you want, you can also order a chicken mutton, but this place best known for fishes. It's a famous place and always remains crowded, so do visit in advance time. Just look at the waiting at the lunch hour. This is another restaurant which I was talking about. Do visit this one while touring around Udupi. Looking at the rush, you won't believe that it's a non-AC restaurant. Still large number of people, whether tourists or locals, visit this restaurant every day. Thimappa is serving since a long time. Fish rates and thali concepts are same as a fish factory. Here I have tried pomfret, kingfish and bangra fry, which is absolutely divine, and due to huge rush I couldn't able to shoot here properly. Now I'll share back to back 2 restaurants which are veg and which I have found ideal for breakfast and snacks. First one, Hotel Sri Krishna beside Durga International Hotel, just beside the city bus stand Udupi. Additional information, there are 2 bakeries which you should try, Padma and Sudarshan, from where I have got lot of stuff for my house packed food. ये है मसाला डोसा, चटनी एंड सांभर, और ये है घी रोस्ट डोसा, चटनी एंड सांभर. ड्यूरिंग माई स्टे एवरी डे आई हैव ट्राइड मैंगलोरी बन इन ब्रेकफास्ट. मुझे इतना पसंद आया ये. दे फ्राई इट लाइक ए पूरी, सो इसका अंदर और बाहर का टेक्सचर अलग होता है. एंड यू कैन हैव दिस मैंगलोरी बन इवन विदाउट कुरमा एंड चटनी. I can't compare this ghee roast dosa with one which I have tried in Madurai. बहुत ही टेस्टी था. ये ओके टाइप है. बाकी मसाला डोसा एंड बन टी सब अच्छा है यहाँ का. Another restaurant which you shouldn't miss during your Udupi tour is Mitra Samaj. It is situated within a close proximity of temple premises. It always remains crowded, so I couldn't able to shoot here. I like the food a lot. You should try this restaurant for snacks and breakfast. Apart from enjoying the food, we also took a part in the temple procession which happened during evening. Another restaurant which is also in close proximity of the temple area, but I would highly suggest you not to visit this place because I didn't like the food here. It is totally a waste of money. Rates are same as compared to Mitra Samaj, but food quality and taste are not at par. The only plus point of this place, it's open early in the morning and having lots of sitting arrangements also. We had idli, vada, shida and filter coffee here. You can check the vada, it is burnt from one side, but they are not discarding the burnt vadas, they are serving it to all. Now the last but not the least on my recommendation list is Thonse Beach Resort. It's their in-house restaurant and situated just on Malpe Beach. Tried masala fry, kingfish and bangra fish and chicken gravy with paratha. Here magic ingredient is masala, and the masala is so well incorporated with all the food items. It is really good. I'm so impressed by their paratha, which is dry, oil free, and it comes along with this mouth watering chicken gravy. Since it is on Malpe Beach, rates are on a little bit higher side, but this place runs by a family it seems, so they take very good care of their customers. Beside this, there is a small ice cream counter. Ice cream rates are normal here. Hope you guys enjoyed the vlog, and if you did, do hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Share it with your family and friends and turn on the bell notification. I will be back soon with another interesting episode. Till then, take care and bye bye.